everybody, my name is Mihir from Tin Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be solving some equations but with variables in the denominator. So let's roll the clip.
Okay everybody, so in this video we're going to be adding some complexity to what we've already learned by having some variables in the denominator. So as you see here, in this denominator we have x plus 3 down here. But everything here is being multiplied by x plus 3. So if we were to multiply both sides by x plus 3, we can get a normal looking equation, 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 times x plus 3. And all we've done here is multiplied both sides by x plus 3. So in this side, the denominator goes away, and in this side, it just becomes x plus 3. So now we can solve this as normal and say 2x plus 2 actually, is equal to x plus 3. So this, we now have to subtract x from both sides to get, so if we subtract x from both sides, so we get rid of it from here, it becomes x plus 2, because we subtracted x, is equal to 3. And now we subtract 2 from both sides, so we get rid of it from here. And it's equal to x is equal to 3 minus 2, which means x is equal to 1. So the other way of looking at this, instead of multiplying both sides by x plus 3, you see how this is everything divided by x plus 3? We can also change this division to multiplication when it goes to the other side. So this x plus 3 here, we can take it from here, and since it's being divided here, when it goes to this side, it becomes multiplication. Just like we've done with addition and subtraction in the first video that I showed you. So if we move to this next example, here I want you to try to solve it by yourself. Okay, I trust that you've solved it. So if we multiply, so now in this case, what we have to do is we have to multiply both sides by y, just like we did over here. So we get 2y plus 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by y, or 10y. Because what happened here, should be in brackets, what happened here is we just multiplied both sides by y. So if we take this 2y and put it on this side, so we just take this 2y and we subtract 2y from both sides, this becomes 5 is equal to 8 is equal to 8y. Normally I keep my variables on the left, but I put it on the right this time because I wanted to keep my answers positive. Because if I put it on this left, then we would have a negative number instead. So now here, all we have to do is divide both sides by 8. So because this is 8y, so we end up getting 5 by 8 is equal to y. So now let's move on to this third equation. So as we started with all the other equations, we have to multiply both sides by 1/2 x minus 2. So go 1/3 multiplied by 6x plus 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1/2 x minus 2. So this 1/3 multiplied by 6x, that's equal to 2x. Then 1/3 multiplied by 2 is just equal to 2/3. So this is equal to 2 times 1/2 x minus 2. So 2 times 1/2 x is just x, and then 2 times -2 is just -4. So here we have this normal looking equation. So now let's subtract x from both sides. So to isolate our variable, so you get 2x plus 2/3 minus x is equal to x minus 4 minus x. So that means x plus 2/3 is equal to minus 4. So here we have this x plus 2/3 is equal to -4. So we have a variable on one side. So now let's move our constant, our amount, to the other. So in this case, we would have to subtract 2/3 from both sides. So that means x is equal to -4 minus 2/3. That means x is equal to 4, undo that, is equal to -4 2/3, which means that x is also equal to -14/3. We just open the mixed number to an improper fraction. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the button down below to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.